Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
I've been with you from dusk till dawn. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. Baby,
Hey guys, it's me CuteTuber and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm really sorry for not uploading videos for such a long time, but today I'm back with slime video. This video is all about adding too much of ingredients into slime. So first I'm adding too much of glitter. And guys, I'm going to use small slimes for all these ingredients because I don't want to waste my money. So first I'm adding red glitter into it. Here I'm adding golden glitter. So obviously it's about adding too much, so I'm adding more glitter. Yeah, more and more. So here's the result. I liked it and it turned out pretty good. So the next ingredient is clay. So I'm going to add too much of clay into normal Fevicol slime. So I added 3 clay and obviously it's too much for that small slime. So yeah. There was so many tiny pieces of clay, so I had to squish it really very odd. So here's the result. I added more white slime after the video because the slime was really very creamy. The slime was super duper soft and I really loved it.
please stop.
So the last and third ingredient is foam beads. So I'm adding lots of foam beads. I even added more foam beads. I don't really know why I added this, but I added this, so yeah. And the result, oh my god, you guys can hear the sounds of the crunches. And I added more white slime after the video.